everyone, and welcome to my getting started video for We Share Abundance. Now, I know many of you know exactly how to get started in that because we've been members for months, but we do have the few in our group, etc., who would either like to join or don't know where to get started, etc. So I've made this video for them, okay? So let's jump right into it. As you can see, this is the main We Share Abundance page. On here, you can see that we have our home. This is the main page here. What to do, which is the next page I'll be showing you. It shows you how to register, etc. Frequently asked questions, small print, login, registration, support, and withdraw. And then down here, we have the link to our Facebook group, Making Money, the tools we use, concept, our free lottery, manifest, options, dream, bonus, testimonials, waves help, and WSA and WSA. We'll be running through all these buttons later on, but for now, the most important one is to go to the What to Do page if you don't know what to do. On that, might take a minute because my internet's a bit dodgy just now. And then here you'll see how to become an active citizen of We Share Abundance and generate income by serving and sharing love. And that is generally what we were all about, helping ourselves as well as helping as many others as we can. So, register by completing the registration form. And here, if you click on here, you will get full instructions here. Click on that. Sorry folks, my internet's really dodgy at the moment. We've got really bad weather. For now, pause for me. Now, as you can see now, we are now on the registration page, and as it says here, note that only one registration per household is allowed. Registering multiple people at the same address can result in all accounts being closed with a total loss of all benefits and funds. So please, people, whatever you do, if you've signed up, do not try to sign up another member of your family because you will get caught and then you could lose everything, and no one wants that. Now, down below, you can see Graham already has a video. And you can click on that and listen to that as you're going along. It's very interesting, actually. Good idea to click on it. And as you see here, we've got our register now. So this is the one we want to be clicking on. Oh, I don't know why it did that. It took me, oh, it's because I'm already registered. Of course, yeah. Well, we'll just go to the getting started page. I mean, all you've got to do to register is just fill in all your details anyway, and yours would come up as a registration page, not as a login page to your back office like mine did, okay? So once you've registered, you then must verify your email address. And Graham has all this information here, and he does suggest you whitelist the membership at WeShareAbundance.com. And another thing, to make sure that your emails are coming through and getting through, please use a Gmail account, because Yahoo and a lot of the other ones just bounce these sorts of things, and you never get your verification. And also, if you don't find your verification in your Gmail main inbox, go to your spam folder, because it's most likely in there, because Google sometimes takes a funny turn and bungs it into your spam folder, which you don't want it to do. And next you can see Graham has also made a video showing you exactly how to whitelist your email verification. And he's down here, he's put, please note that one member did not receive his verification email, and the fact is he kept trying to register, and the result was he started getting links in his Gmail accounts, and he just didn't know which one to click on, and it really messed him up. Next one is completing your profile. This is very important. And as I say, Graham, just watch this video here because Graham will talk you through the whole thing. Very simple to do. And the third one is adding your wallet. Very important because you want to get paid by We Share Abundance, don't you? But I'll be making a video later on. Graham's already got one here, but I'll also make one showing you exactly how to do it. And down here, as Graham talks in his video about getting a Waves Exchange account, very easy. Just follow what he says in this video, but you can also read all this here, and take your time reading it because it's well worth it, and you need to know what you're doing, because if you don't and you mess up, you can either lose money or you can just not end up in the system at all and then you've got no account. And after all that, it's well worth just taking your time. Okay, people, I think that's about it for now. The next one, I'll be showing you one how to add your Waves wallet. But like I say, Graham's already made this, but I'll make another one for on the group. Okay, so that's it for now, folks. Bye for now. I'll be doing another one tomorrow.